When shelters fill up so fast and with COVID-19, the guys can't get in there and they cannot find any sanctuary, place to stay or have a meal and stuff. And then you have recovery centers that aren't taking anybody right now, and so that's not an option. Their families won't put them in because they're homeless and they've had so much hell break loose in their own life and their own addictions that they got nowhere to stay. And then sober living houses. If you lose your place there, man, then now what do you do? So me, I don't have a spleen, so I gotta protect my compromised immune system. I gotta protect myself inherently. That morning, I felt really I struggled. So, like I've had like musing thoughts that morning. I don't know where they came from. They just came to me like very, very, very unusual. Anyway, life is hard, man. It's even harder for addicts out there, especially if you go back. Do not go back, please. I'm begging you, do not go back, man. COVID-19, be damned. I'm a phoenix in the midst of all that. I will rise up. I ain't going back. I ain't going back.